哇，真的很多，太多了。Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Run channel. Alright, today we have another ride to nowhere, I don't know. But most probably we try to go to Tanah Merah Coast Road. But however, on the half of the way, we cannot go through the Changi village. So we have to U-turn, and now we are going to Loyang. Use the Loyang all the way up to Changi Beach. And we will continue from there. It's Kelvin. Now we are on the mid road, going to go to Tampines before we go to Loyang. And here is our good friend Dinosaur, Jurassic Mouse. Okay, Jurassic Mouse. But we are not turning in, but we are going straight. Check it out later. Bye. Alright guys, if you're cycling over here, the Tanah Merah towards the Changi village, you are advised to U-turn back because they got some exhibitions going on. And this one is ongoing, they got certain time until 21st of February. Oh, I think another few days. I think next week you can come over here already.
6 AM, half a day.
Yes. Yeah, no choice. So we have to U-turn,
Go by Loyang.
go by Loyang, and go to Changi village. So you got a lot of cyclists are U-turn over the side. Now we are at the Pasir Ris Park 4. Actually, now we have to stay here for a while under this hut because due to raining. And now I think most of it, I think the rain already subsided. Going to continue our journey. Just to want to share a little bit about this park. And this usually when we ride last time, this park they have a block over the other side in front of me. Okay, you can't go anywhere else. So there's a park connector, Pasir Ris Park connector being opened, a new one. They already recently, I think just less than 1 month. This connector, Pasir Ris Park connector, this one, the PCN, will connect to the Lorong Halus PCN. I'm going to share with you how the routes look like later on. So stay tuned. So guys, this is the route that we're going to cycle later on. There's the open path. There's a new PCN from Pasir Ris connected to the Lorong Halus PCN. So finally, this PCN has been opened. But what I heard is just not a long one, but short type of PCN connected to the Lorong Halus. from Pasir Ris to Lorong Halus, which we now have a new route to cycle. No more road, yes. No pavement, free cycle. More to come. So they just open up a little bit of part of this park connectors. Let us see how far it goes. Now if you see this one, all is a boring routes, left, right, all is a fence. So just be patient. There are more to come in futures, but I don't know when they will open up now more to cross the road. One zigzag. Very challenging. Okay, I now understand where it is come from. We used to come this fish farm, and this is the one that they actually done the PCN connector. So we cut down all this roadside cycling, the pathway. Yes, correct. From here, we just go straight and turn right, all the way to Lorong Halus. Okay guys, that's the end of this video, and we managed to clock in about 60 over kilometers. I think 5 kilometers overall of the total cycling today, and we have been passed by the few places that new PCN connectors has opened a month. That was the Pasir Ris PCN connectors to the Lorong Halus. It's quite new, but other than that, we are not able to manage to go another one, the new opening PCN that was at the Changi beach PCN, the latest one. Because they are doing the closing until 21st, then they will open. They are blocked from the TANAH MERAH and the Changi beach, so we are not able to go in to see. But however, some renovation been done, they open up a lot of people who do the fishing, like the whole along the beach. And if you like my channel, Please subscribe free anyway. Share and like. Always stay safe, eat well, sleep well, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.